Think you need thousands to start investing? What if I told you all you need is $100? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your first $100 into your ticket to long-term wealth. Don't wait. If you've got $100, you can start investing right now, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Choose the right investment platform. The first thing you need to do is pick the right investment platform. For beginners, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Vanguard are perfect. They're simple, easy to use, and they don't require a ton of money to get started. Once you've chosen a platform, setting up an account is super quick. Just a few minutes, and you're ready to start investing. Step 2. Understanding your investment options. Now let's talk about what to actually invest in. With $100, you have several options. You can invest in individual stocks, ETFs, or my personal favorite for beginners, index funds. Index funds give you a little piece of a whole bunch of different companies, so you don't have to worry about picking winners and losers. It's a great way to spread out your risk and let your money grow over time. Step 3. Dollar cost averaging. Here's the real secret to growing your investments over time. Dollar cost averaging. It's a fancy term, but all it means is that you invest small amounts of money regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Say you invest $100 every month. Sometimes the market will be up, sometimes down. But over time, this strategy helps you take advantage of the dips while consistently growing your wealth. Step 4. Diversify with small investments. Even with just $100, you can diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, you can spread it out across a few different assets. ETFs and index funds are great for this because they allow you to invest in a variety of companies with just one purchase. This way, even with a small amount, you're reducing risk and increasing your chances of long-term gains. So, there you have it. Starting your investment journey with just $100 is not only possible, it's smart. By choosing the right platform, picking solid investments, and sticking to strategies like dollar cost averaging and diversification, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on growing your money, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of smart investing. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your financial future, one smart move at a time.